Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. The CEO of Google admits that Shiba Inu's burn. Get ready to never work again. Chip news. Hundreds of festival goers crowded into a Zen escape on Monday at SXSW, just hours after Silicon Valley Bank's failure put most tech startups' futures at risk. The escape was a virtual landscape with beautiful forests of bamboo and cherry trees swaying in the wind, as well as a clear memorial to the Japanese hunting dog breed Shiba Inu. It was named the Wagmi Temple. It was a break from the failing financial ecosystems and the first look at the metaverse being built by developers of the Shiba Inu coin. It was named after the crypto slogan, "We're all gonna make it." We will talk about Google's CEO admits Shiba Inu burn in this video. Get ready to never work again. Chip news. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. Decentralization of crypto will happen in bank runs like the one last Friday. Fast Company talks to Satoshi Kusama, the mysterious lead creator of Shiba Inu, through Google Meet. He only goes by his fake name and an avatar of a person wearing a long cloak. He types into a robot with his camera turned off instead of speaking out loud. He is signing the partial reserves of banks. As more people understand this and choose to broaden, that 5% number for world adoption goes up. Then people ask, what is this Shib thing? They find out how great we are. Web3 fans are still a small part of Twitter, which some people already know. But among crypto not-vet, Shib might have the most devoted followers. When it was first made 2.5 years ago, the token was just a joke to make a Dogecoin killer that would beat the rival meme-based token Dogecoin. But its loyal fans, who call themselves the Shib Army, it could not have been more important. By using only social media to boost the price of a Shiba Inu, they were able to make it one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies with a market value of $44 billion. Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange tool, and a collection of 10,000 Shiboshi NFT pixelated Shiba Inu characters with different traits, like a pirate hat or a pizza slice hanging out of the dog's mouth, have added to the universe along the way. Shiba Inu got praise from Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, and Elon Musk, a crypto influencer. They also got a relationship with Bugatti, a Canadian luggage brand. What started as joke trolling by meme fans has grown to 3.6 million followers on crypto Twitter. These users are also some of the loudest on the site, quick to jump on news stories with hashtags like ShibArmyStrong and Hail Shib, offering to take the Shib hashtag to the moon. In 2022, it was the third most Googled cryptocurrency in the whole world. Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain, made its biggest step forward yet last week when it went live in beta with a set of new tokens. This is all in preparation for Shib the Metaverse, which will be the company's flagship metaverse and will open with John Richmond's first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer. Shib wants to be more than just a joke coin with this. Shiba Inu's strange history is part of their appeal. Its founder, Ryoshi, was also found out in secret before disappearing from the internet all of a sudden last summer. In a funny twist, his cat-shaped character is no longer in the discords. He didn't disappear, though. Ryoshi left a roadmap, and Satoshi added to it after 6,000 wallets had been created for the coin. Smelly soaring has been going on since Musk's tweets, though. It's also not clear how Shib makes money. Satoshi says that the money from selling metaverse land plots goes toward building up the metaverse, while the money from selling Shiboshi NFT is used for other things. The team hasn't decided yet if they will keep a share of leash and bone or how the tokens will work. They refuse to say if they get a cut of Shiba Swap's transaction fees. They haven't raised any risk cash. The best thing about Shib is its community, which is a word that is used a lot in blog posts, tweets, and magazine interviews. Lead assistant for Shib Metaverse, Marcy Jestro, tells Fast Company that while they plan the metaverse, they're taking into account what the Shib Army has said. The team hired a company to use Unreal Engine software to build it, but there isn't a creative head. They start by sketching idea art in black and white. Then, they post drafts of the art on a blog and check social media to see what people are talking about it. Finally, they make changes, color it, and render it in 3D over and over again. The Wagmi Temple is the first of 11 zones that will be built. It's a fantasy place where deer graze and people do yoga outside. This group of people includes people from other metaverses, like Decentraland. The sandbox is the other side of Yuga Lab, which is usually seen as competition. Of course, Jastro says that the pioneers of a new and changing place like the metaverse must work together. You know what she means. It might feel too friendly, especially during crypto winter, when venture capital funding has dried up and competition for jobs is fiercer than ever. I agree with Jastro, though, because it's hard to get people to believe they can live in Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2. What works for one person might work for everyone. Even though Mark Zuckerberg pushed for Horizon Worlds, Meta is now more interested in AI than the Metaverse. The idea that Zuckerberg put his company's name at risk on after its Metaverse business lost $13.3 billion in 2022. Defensible Land, which is thought to be the leader in the space, only has 8,000 daily active users, and Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was selling 60 cents below its face value back in late 2018. Some Metaverse coins have lost as much as 80% of their value. Shiba Inu has a market size of $6 billion right now, with $589 trillion worth of tokens in circulation and a price of $0.1. If each token were to search for a value of $1, as previously suggested, this would suggest an incredible implied valuation of $589 trillion, greatly exceeding even the global gross domestic product. Shiba Inu continues to make headlines with its latest developments. Shiba Inu has seen a surge in popularity with many investors drawn to its potential for high returns. As the demand for Shiba Inu grows, its community of holders and traders continues to expand. Of course, any serious investor will realize that such a price would not be attainable without drastic reductions in supply. Nevertheless, many crypto enthusiasts are enticed by the potential profits of investing in this unique, millennial-driven cryptocurrency given its current low price and high potential rewards. Shib, the token powering the second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, flew 15% to trade at 1,120 cents at the time of writing. Shiba Inu price retested critical descending trend line support earlier in March and rebounded, implying the trend was ready to change northwards. Before the correction to 10 cents, which coincided with the trend line, Shib had broken out in January, lifting 96% to a new yearly high of 1,576 cents by early February. Despite the double-digit move in the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu must tick a few boxes before investors can fully confirm a new bull market. The second most popular meme coin, boasting $6.6 billion in market capitalization, is trading at $0.1120. In the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu has seen its trading volume jump by 30% to $321 million, hinting at increased accumulation among investors who anticipate a much bigger move in the price over the coming few days. However, the 100-day exponential moving average currently caps price movement under 1,126 cents. A break above this key moving average remains critical for Shib to uphold the breakout from the falling trend line. Despite the immediate resistance, key momentum indicators like the moving average convergence-divergence reveal a determined bullish front. After Shiba Inu was alongside the rest of the market due to the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, the MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart. The MACD sustains the buy signal on the 4-hour chart, but it is holding above the mean line this time. Buyers are determined to hold onto the accrued gain.